Ever felt like diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency but got tangled up in the how? You're not alone. The idea of owning Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of the thousands of digital currencies out there can be thrilling, but the actual process sometimes feels like navigating a maze. Especially when it comes to security. You want to be part of this financial revolution, but you also want to keep your hard-earned money safe, right? That's where hardware wallets like the ELLIPAL come in. Think of your ELLIPAL as a super secure vault for your crypto keys. It keeps your private keys offline, far away from the prying eyes of hackers and online threats. But having this fortress is just the first step. The next logical question is, how do you actually get crypto onto this secure device? How do you bridge the gap between traditional finance and the decentralized world of digital assets, all while maintaining that crucial layer of security that the ELLIPAL provides? Well, you've landed in the right place. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can buy cryptocurrency and securely manage it with your ELLIPAL hardware wallet. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it clear and easy to follow, so you can confidently take control of your crypto journey. Forget the complicated jargon and confusing interfaces. We're here to simplify things. First things first, you'll need the ELLIPAL app on your smartphone. This acts as the interface for interacting with your hardware wallet. Make sure you've downloaded it from the official App Store and paired it with your ELLIPAL device. This pairing process usually involves scanning a QR code displayed on your ELLIPAL, ensuring a secure Bluetooth connection. Once your app is set up and connected, you'll typically find a buy or trade option within the app's interface. This section usually integrates with various cryptocurrency exchanges or on-ramp services. These platforms allow you to purchase crypto using traditional fiat currencies like Naira, US dollars, euros, and more, depending on the service and your location here in Ibadan. When you select the buy option, you'll likely be presented with a list of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Choose the one you're interested in, whether it's the popular Bitcoin, the versatile Ethereum, or any other supported coin. Next, you'll need to specify the amount you want to buy. Most platforms will allow you to enter the amount in your local currency or in the cryptocurrency itself. Double-check this amount to ensure it's what you intend to purchase. Now comes the crucial part, linking your payment method. The ELLIPAL app, through its integrated services, will usually offer various options such as bank transfers, credit or debit cards, or even other digital payment methods. Select your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions to securely link your account. This might involve verifying your identity with the chosen payment provider, a standard security measure. Once your payment method is linked and verified, you'll be able to review your purchase details. Take a moment to carefully check the cryptocurrency you're buying, the amount, the exchange rate, and any associated fees. Transparency is key, so make sure you understand all the costs involved before proceeding. After you've confirmed all the details, you'll likely need to authorize the transaction. This might involve a confirmation step within the ELLIPAL app and potentially on your hardware wallet itself, adding that extra layer of security. Your ELLIPAL will prompt you to verify the transaction details on its screen, ensuring that you are the one initiating the purchase. Once the transaction is processed successfully by the exchange or on-ramp service, the purchased cryptocurrency will typically appear in your wallet within the ELLIPAL app. From there, because you're using an ELLIPAL, the private keys controlling these funds remain securely stored offline on your hardware device. You can then manage your crypto, send, receive, and hold, with the peace of mind that your assets are protected by the robust security features of your ELLIPAL. Remember that the specific steps and available options might vary slightly depending on the integrated exchange or service within the ELLIPAL app and your geographical location. Always ensure you are using reputable and secure platforms for your crypto purchases. Take your time, double-check every step, and prioritize security throughout the process. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.